Hello, my name is Frédéric Penot. I'm the manager of Graduate School EIPHI. Welcome to this webinar. We'll start with a small video presenting our university, UBFC, and I'll come back to you after to explain in more detail what we propose at the Master and Ph.D. level at the Graduate School EIPHI.
Got my eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Hey, a DJ, you like the way I sway, and I gotta get it my way. I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna bump it till it breaks. I got the movement and the attitude. I got something you could do. You could put my record on. You could play my favorite song, the one where the bass goes boom, 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 ba-dum. I got my eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, whoa, whoa. Eye on the door, whoa, 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 whoa. Eye on the dance floor, whoa, 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 whoa. Eye on the door, whoa. You could put my record on. You could put my record on. You could put my record on. You could play my favorite song, the one where the bass goes boom, 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 ba-dum. A DJ, you like the way I sway, and I gotta get it my way. I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna bump it till it breaks. I got the movement and the attitude. I got something you could do. You could put my record on. You could play my favorite song, the one where the bass goes boom, 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 ba-dum. I got my eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door. Eye on the dance floor, eye on the door.
Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation of UBFC. So now let's talk about our Graduate School EIPHI. So EIPHI is one of the 3 graduate schools of UBFC. We have Transbio in environmental science, in therapy, in health science, and EIPHI actually is devoted to engineering science. It is composed of 10 master degrees and 2 doctoral school, and all the research activities are taking place in the internationally renowned laboratories, which are Ph.D, ICB and IMB. Our 10 master degrees are all taught in English, and we propose an international mobility during the training which is organized around research. We can say that we have an experiential learning or education through research approach, and for that we propose open spaces where you can work with the students from the other master degrees, and like that we create an environment where you have a cross-disciplinary training. We also propose a personalized monitoring during the training thanks to mentors and student advisors. Those 10 master degrees listed below covers 5 domains of research: physics and mathematics, smart system and structures, computer science, energy, and material science. In numbers, we have around 650 students, equally repartited between the master and PhD level. Depending on the master degree you're going to choose, you'll be located in one of those 4 cities, which are Besançon, Dijon, Belfort, and Montbéliard. In physics and mathematics, we propose 3 master degrees: 2 in physics, covering the fields of nanotechnologies, photonics, optics, quantum physics, and metrology. The master degree in maths propose to work on the mathematical tools you need to solve problems in such domains. In energy, we have 1 master degree with 2 tracks, one in thermal energy for industrial activities of companies like General Electric, which is based at Belfort, by the way, and the other track is in electrical energy, with research which are mostly done in fuel cells. In computer science, we have 2 master degree, one in software engineering, dealing with big data analysis and artificial intelligence, and the other one is Internet of Things, so dealing with connected objects. So it's a mix between computer science and electronics, let's say. In the smart system and structure domain, 3 master degree, one which is a classical mechanical engineering program, and the research done in those domains are mostly oriented towards vibroacoustic, shape control, health monitoring. The other 2, GRIM and SIS, is mostly electrical engineering, so dealing with mechatronics, embedded systems, for example robotics. In material science, we have 1 master degree called Control and Durability of Materials, and it deals with development of new materials and analysis of their characteristics, life cycles, etc. As you can see with this typical master degree schedule, the students are from the first day immersed in the laboratories and integrated to the research team, working closely with PhD students. They are monitored during their training by a mentor sharing his professional network, and the professors are also supporting the student for the study abroad project. Students can also be the ambassador of this program by participating in the tutoring of bachelor degree students. At the PhD level, you have the same organization. You are monitored by a mentor. You can participate through some master degree student tutoring, and you are also supported for any study abroad project you might have, visiting another lab, participating to international conferences. Now let's speak in more details about the research done at the graduate school EIPHI with the 3 laboratories, Ph.D, ICB and IMB. In this slide, we're presenting all the research activities of the 3 laboratories, Ph.D, ICB and IMB, and as you can see, this is quite large, so I'm sure you're going to find what you're looking for. You can look through numbers, but what is important, I think, at that level is to see that the overall territory is covered by the activities of those 3 laboratories, first of all, that we have many technological platforms where you can perform your research, and we're also presenting the closest and maybe also the biggest international partners who we're working with, so well-renowned schools like IIT and EPFL. As you can see in this slide, there is a lot of text, so I will let you read through that later on. But what I wanted to show there is that the research teams of the 3 laboratories are taking part of a huge number of international projects funded by the European Union or other international institutions. It just proves the quality of the training you will have while integrating the Graduate School EIPHI. This international project has a worldwide impact, and as you can see on that slide, it helps us to set up academic partnership with very well-known universities all around the world: McGill, MIT, Harvard, Caltech, EPFL, IIT. Okay, so you can take advantage of all that when you'll come and study at the Graduate School EIPHI. During your study abroad project, you can maybe do your research internship in one of those universities. In this slide, we just present some scientific outcomes and highlights for the last 3 years. I'll just take the example of the smallest house built in the world, which was done at Ph.D. Okay, and that appear in Nature. So it just give an example of the excellence of the research which is done at the Graduate School EIPHI. The last slide on the scientific outcome and highlights. So at the Graduate School EIPHI we are doing, of course, some fundamental research, but also we are doing applied research, and as you can see there, a lot of the research activities end up with patent or startups. So you can do, of course, a career at the university while integrating the Graduate School EIPHI, but also you can think about doing a career in the industry, bringing your expertise in your domain to that company. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this presentation, and if you have any question, please let me know. Before closing this webinar and going on with the question and answer session, let me introduce you with a summer school program sponsored by Campus France called French and Science. It's a 4 weeks summer school in June. I think you might have several sessions, but the main one is in June, during which you're going to have some French courses to increase your level, and also scientific courses. So in Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, what we're going to propose is to explore the 5 domains of research of the Graduate School EIPHI. So during those 4 weeks, you'll visit the campus of Belfort, Montbéliard, Besançon and Dijon, and interact with the research team of the 3 laboratories, Ph.D, ICB and IMB. So that could be a good opportunity for you to discover the area and to see if what we are proposing just fits your needs. You can see also on this slide the cost of living in Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, so around 800 euros per month, which covers the renting of the apartment, social security, cell phone, food and travel expenses. And we do offer at the Graduate School EIPHI some scholarship up to 8,000 euros based on academic results. Okay. And concerning the tuition fees, so that will depend on the waiver policy of the president of the university. So up to now, a waiver was given to international students, so you were paying only 800 euros per year. But the maximum, if this waiver is not maintained, the cost of the tuition fees will be 4,000 euros per year. So this is the end of this webinar. I hope you have been interested by what we are proposing. Do not hesitate to visit our website and to come to me if you have any question. Thank you.